can we practice some of the positions we'll be adopting tomorrow, please?
Apparently, I'm going to be going back like this, and then legs up in the air, ready for waxing of the anus. Then apparently, for the ball area, doggy style, my favourite. Doctor's name.
You don't worry about it. Honestly, if you faint, I'll call an ambulance. And then while you're getting ready, if you look at that picture,
Yeah.
that's your starting position.
Wow. Holy shit. You got that?
Yeah, I've got that. Right, any danglies?
Can you
Worst thing I've ever done in my whole life.
I am crying. This is why I put no makeup on this morning.
Now, if you need cold air blowing on you, Chris, please let me know.
Yes, please.
If I can only get some gas in here, it'd be even better. I haven't yet worked out how to do that.
Oh, sweet.
This really
Jesus.
helps. I promise.
Okay, thanks.
Right. Can you feel that?
Yep.
Right. Now then.
Oh my
Now you're going to drop this lower back.
Okay, yeah.
That's it. And come back to me a bit. Bring these arms down here. That's it. Perfect. Okay, oil.
Okay.
I'm going to talk you through
Okay.
You probably don't care. You probably aren't even registering what I'm doing just
Oh
yet.
my god. Have you ever been touched
Okay.
like this by
No.
a stranger before?
Not anybody.
Okay.
None of this has ever seen the light of day.
Well, indeed. And so where I'm going to put the wax now will feel warm because for that reason,
Okay.
the sun doesn't ever shine down here.
Okay.
So I'm coming right down the crack of your bum. It's
Okay, thank you.
going to feel warm,
Okay.
but it shouldn't burn. You don't have to. Right.
You look, and it's a really beautiful light, Chris, because the sun's shining behind you. You look like Jesus.
Holy shit.
Coming down further. And right in.
Right in. Oh.
Right in there. And down. Right?
Right in the crack.
Yeah. Drop that back. Stop trying to get away from
Sorry.
me. Right, now listen.
I am.
I'm going to pull the bottom of your scrotum. And I'm going to put wax. So I've got it, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Wax is feet apart, feet apart. Okay, here we go. Hot, 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 hot. Hot.
Oh, it's really hot, yeah.
Right. Well done.
Oh,
God.
you're doing so well.
You are doing well.
Really well.
Considering it's not a choice, really.
Help me.
Right, I'm coming back to the scrotum.
Oh, good.
In a minute, I'm going to release this wax from the bottom of your scrotum, okay? So this will
Okay.
feel horrible.
Okay.
So I'm going to pull and flick the wax.
Ah!
Are you ready?
Oh, we haven't started yet. What's the pain then?
Drop them back. Right. Okay. You're doing good. Well done. Bring them back to me. Drop your back. Get back. Get into the... Drop your back. Right. I'm coming back to get this brush. Come back to me. Come back to me. Hold on tight. Come back to me. You're doing good. Doing good. Come back to me. Well done.
I am literally crying.
Okay, horrible bit coming up.
Okay. Oh!
And again. Come back to me. Well done. Well done.
Oh my god. I thought you were going to headbutt me.
Go go right inside that crack, okay? You've got a little reprieve.
That is the most intense pain I've ever had.
Right, I've got them getting this Grayson.
Okay, brilliant.
Thank you. Right, hot now, all the way down. Warm, all hot and hot. I'm just pushing right into that crack.
Yeah.
I don't know if you want these words on commentary over
Yes,
there, but
definitely. It's perfect.
so they know what's going on.
Exactly. They want to know without
Right,
seeing.
Scrotum, well done.
Gruesome.
Keep breathing, Chris.
Don't stop breathing. Come back, is the air blowing on you? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Right.
Just do it, just do
I'm
it.
doing it.
Ah!
Come back to me.
Right. Get back, Chris.
Ah!
Come back to me.
Ah!
Back. Stay back.
Ah!
Stay back.
Ah! Ah!
I'm just going to inspect you now. Come back to me. I'm just inspecting for hair. Because there can't be any hairs left, you know. Right?
Okay.
I'm going to get rid of it all,
I think
Chris.
there can't be anything left down there.
No.
You retreat, Chris. Stop
Yeah,
advancing.
Ready? It's going right in.
Okay.
In. Hot.
Hot.
In there.
Oh, that is hot.
That is hot.
Yeah, that's really hot.
You're doing really good. Just think of the £2,000.
Oh yeah, £2,000, cancer research.
That's it.
Whatever I'm going through now is nothing
Exactly.
compared
It's
to
so
what cancer
true.
sufferers go through.
Think about that. Okay, let's push this wax in. I don't think he's with us anymore.
No, I don't
gone.
think he is.
Okay, release the wax, the horrible bit. Oh,
Oh!
well done, well done.
Jesus! Oh!
Well done.
Oh!
Well done. Okay, release part.
Oh!
Well done.
Oh!
Well done.
Ah!
Well done.
Oh!
You're the worst screamer, I'm sorry.
Okay, yes.
Okay, the horrible bit.
Ah!
Well, there. Blimey.
Christopher's penis is being held right now as we're applying hot wax.
Yes,
Chris doesn't even care.
I do care.
He just got some.
There's nothing I can do about it. I've agreed to this depravity and now I've got to do it.
Oh dear. Oops.
Does anyone usually jump as much as I do?
No. It's funny to say. This is you.
Unprecedented.
Absolutely, you've broken all the barriers.
Okay, I'm going to try and be silent, look at the ceiling. Oh!
Your feet are brilliant. Your little feet are hilarious.
I'm all sweating hot and red because that was the most intense wax of a man or woman I have ever done. No one's ever screamed that much. No one's ever moved their legs and feet and arms and body. I was trying to hold him down. I was trying to control like animal out of the Muppets. But now he looks totally gorgeous.
Yay!
Absolutely gorgeous, and he did good. The boy did good.
It's so good.
Very much.